guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on making some washi style tape for your junk journals or cards or whatever. And to do that, if you start out using this product, NextCare, but there's also other brands, but you want the gentle paper tape like in the Band-Aid aisle. This is most like washi tape because it is really thin. It is super thin, and it is more like washi tape than other tapes that you'll find. And it's very, kind of see-through, and it tears really easy. It is basically just like washi tape. So you'll need some of that tape, some stamps, some ink pads, whatever kind of ink pads you want. I got a chalk pad here, some ink blenders, whatever kind you like, and a non-stick craft mat or a silicone mat, or some parchment paper, something like that the tape will not stick to. So first thing you'll do is you'll roll out some tape and stick it down to your mat. Cover those. And the next thing you'll do is you want to do your color first. Just kind of get some color down into your tape. Okay. Now then, I think we are ready for some inking here. Photo on this one. Just get the edges real good. I hope everybody's doing good. So let's try this again. Maybe I need to switch to a different stamp pad. Oh, that's better. I just didn't stamp it good enough. You can take these and wrap them around a bottle if you want to save them. I like to shoot them with some heat gun first. Okay, that's done. You can just pull them up, and they are ready to go. So that you can see, what this looks like. You've got a very vintage looking washi tape, basically. Now to store these, you can wrap them around. Obviously, if you use brighter inks, you can get a lot brighter result. You can wrap them around a bottle, or a plastic tube, or anything you want to save them and use them as actual washi tape. You just tear off a little bit as you want it. Put that down, and it works really well as far as a washi tape style. Of course, that was the one that didn't stamp very well, but you get the idea on that. You can use paint with these, which is kind of a cool idea. just to give you an idea what this one looks like a little bit more. This would be more for like a Halloween journal with the stars and the orange and black, but just to make something up real quick, it shows you what you can do with these. Alright, wipe this off, and we'll do a couple more brighter examples here. Alright, so now I've got a couple of examples with, here's some acrylic. Alright, now then, we can do a little bit of paint on these. These are heavy-bodied paints. You can use any kind of acrylic paint you want. Add a little bit of water. Smear that around a little bit. Add a little bit more. Add a little bit of white. Okay, there's a little bit of that, and on this one I think we'll do some magenta and silver maybe on this one. Trick is you want it to be quite thin. And adding a little bit of water. You can kind of smudge it out to the edges a little bit. You can get a very artistic looking design. And I'll put some, I'm going to dry this real quick. And we'll put a little bit of silver. Put a little bit of silver in this one too. Okay, pick a finger that I haven't used. Sit with you. I love this Brie Reese paint because especially the silver is actually silver when it goes on, so it's kind of fun. Dry again. Let's go for, I've got some background stamps here. I think I'm going to use this one here. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and use that chalk again. because it worked quite well. Okay. Now we'll go through this one here. Just kind of a hint. I think that looks pretty cool. Stamp this. Okay, I like that one. Okay, and for this one, I'm going to use this larger script. Pretty cool. And I'll give you a close-up so you can see what it looks like. It looks pretty awesome. Alright, so, and then see if you can see this pretty good. It's got this cool, just a hint of a pattern there. So like that, and then this one is very fine, and there is turquoise, white, and silver in there, so it has a lot of depth to it. It's kind of fun. And then if you want, you can go down the edges and, you know, kind of ink the edges a bit if you want. It's really up to you, whatever, you know, design and style you're going for. And if you don't like it, hey, you know what? You got a huge roll that doesn't cost hardly anything. You know, a couple bucks, $3, I think, maybe $4, depending on what brand you get, for 2 rolls. And that is a lot of tape. That will make a lot of these strips. So, I mean, you know how expensive washi tape is, and, you know, it doesn't last forever. So, yeah, you just peel that off, and you got yourself some washi. Pretty cool washi tape, if you like it. Alright, so you can see the silver in there. It's kind of cool if you use different colors. Again, I could just take this, take my paint bottle, and just go around it if I want to, for storage. And then I've always got, I don't have a giant bucket full of washi tape. I've just got my paint and my tape all stored in the same spot. And it's kind of cool. Alright, and then this one. So you can see what this one looks like. This one looks pretty neat too. So, pretty easy to do. Does turn out pretty cool, and it's just as sticky as washi, and a lot cheaper, and you can, you know, design it however you want to go with your projects, and yeah, make small batches so that you don't get tired of the same print all the time. So ends up being pretty neat. So there's that one, and then here is the one with just the inks on it. So you can get a lot of variety, different styles, you know, kind of a faded vintage styles and bright colorful styles. Whatever you're into, you can make your own washi to make it happen. So, alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!